What's up YouTube? Belated Women's Day wishes to all. Today we are reviewing GUANQIN watch. Myself Kiran from Health, Art,
Travel and Tech.
So we will unbox it. GUANQIN is a Chinese brand. Soft padded. There's an international guarantee card, some booklets, and a soft cloth, and the watch. So this is an automatic watch. You can see it. The peculiarity is that it is a tourbillon with moonphase. It is hard to get such kind of complication within a price range of 1000 rubles. I bought it for 1022 rubles from AliExpress. But now the price has been increased to 1800 something. So it is very nice to see. You can see it. It is slowly moving. That is a complication of a mechanical watch. Very nicely seen in the dial. It is both mechanical and automatic. So it will work when we wear it. Because of the movement that is happening to this wheel. It will get rotated, which provides the energy for this watch to function. And the moon phase, it is very nicely presented. We can see the sun and moon. Now you can see the time is about to be 3 o'clock, and you can see the sun. And when I rotate it, you can see the sun is moving, and slowly the stars are coming. There is a moon phase complication. This one is 12-hour and 24-hour complication. So now it is night time, hence it is around 20. So this watch has 20mm straps. It's having a golden color. Mentioned genuine leather. The quality is okay for this price range. So it can be hand winded also and automatic, as I have told before. It's worth for the price. You will love it for sure. A watch with tourbillon moon phase complication for just 1000 rubles. It's amazing. I will put a link in the description. You can try and buy this product. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share your valuable suggestions. Your comment, share and likes are inevitable. Please support. Signing off, Kiran
And Manasi.
from Health,
Art
Travel.
and Tech.
Bye bye.